everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Coach handbag with you all. If you already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel, I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so this is the box I am going to be unboxing with you guys, or pretty much the handbag I'm going to be unboxing. And while I'm unboxing, I just want to let you guys know my word of the day. So the word of the day for today is right. And pretty much it's just knowing what's right and what's wrong, and always choosing to do the right thing. I don't know why, or if people sometimes don't understand right from wrong, which I really hope that that's the case, as ignorant as that would sound. I really hope that the case is some people can't differentiate certain things that are right from wrong, but certain things are blatant, in your face, right or wrong, and always choose to do the right thing. The right thing is the right way to go. It's being a good, decent human being, doing the right thing. So this is the box. It just says Coach right on the top, and then this piece came wrapped beautifully. Like, so this is the way it came, with this, with some of the wrapping slapping me in the face, with this cute little owl. I love owls. I don't know if I've ever said that, but I love owls. Something about owls are just stunning to me. So this actually is pretty heavy. This is the handbag right here, and this is just the receipt that it came with. It just says Coach New York right here. It has the shipping label, and let's just read this right here. So like I said, this is from Coach, and then this piece that I picked up, it just says the handbag, the amounts, and all of that, which I will share with you as I'm unboxing this piece. So yes, this is the piece that I picked up, and this is the Coach. Just undoing it before I tell you the name so you can see. So like I said, this is the Coach Cassie handbag, and I picked this up in, what's the color, in a pine green, and I'm not sure if it's picking up, but look at that green color. I chose green because I just don't have any green handbags. This retails for $350, but when I picked it up, I actually paid $210 for this piece. So I just figured, you know, it's on sale. I've been wanting this bag, so I just decided to pick it up. I also love the hardware. So it's more of this gunmetal kind of hardware as opposed to like the gold. Gold would look stunning here, but I wanted something more subtle. And if you can see right here, it's just all the hardware that has the gunmetal. I'll probably have this personalized when I can get this to the stores. And this is the interior of it. It just has this blue lining in the inside. And if you saw my handbag or my video on handbags that you can, you know, kind of dupes for certain Louis Vuitton handbags, this one I compared to the Pochette Matisse, and it's because the back is pretty similar, the top handle is pretty similar, and the interior, which I will be showing you, is similar as well. As you can see, it has that accordion style right in the inside. I'm gonna take some of this stuff out, just some of the stuffing, so I can show you. This is the strap that came with the handbag. Once again, gunmetal hardware, and it is an adjustable strap, as you can see by the buckle right here, so you can adjust this. I do plan on probably purchasing a thicker kind of strap. Like if you've ever seen some of the Dior saddle bags, I plan on purchasing kind of a strap like that because I think this would look stunning, held top handle with a thick strap. So that's something I'm thinking about. So let me show you right here. This is the front pocket, this is the middle pocket, and then there's also like a pocket right here. There's also, I'm not sure if you can see, this is kind of getting in the way, but this also has a zip closure right in here, and it comes with just some care instructions. It says Coach right in here, and like I said, taking out some more, just another little pocket right here. So this bag has a lot of pockets. This is the dust bag that came with the bag. I'm not really gonna undo it because I don't think I'm gonna be keeping this handbag in a dust bag, but yes, this is the handbag and I wanted to share it with you guys. I love this pebbled kind of leather. It's durable, it's something you can scratch and it's not gonna get destroyed or anything like that. If you can see, I'm scratching it, but it's not destroyed. There is a little bit of a dent right there if you can see it. It's really tiny, so I'm not really all that concerned about it. It's not too bad. Like if it was a major dent, then I would most probably send it back, but see, it's a tiny dent, and I feel like the more I push it out like that, the more the dent goes away. So I think it's an okay kind of dent. I'm just checking it out to see if there's anything else wrong with it, and I don't think so. You can also use this as a clutch. It is a bigger kind of clutch, but you can use it as a clutch, which is something I really like. Like I mentioned, top handle, crossbody with the straps, as a shoulder bag. You can do a lot with this, and for $210, even for the regular price $350, I think that is a great price for this piece because you're getting a quality item at a great price. I think $350 is a good price. If you go out and you hunted down the pochette Matisse, which is hard to get, I purchased it. It's actually one of the reasons why I even started a channel. I purchased it and mine was destroyed. Like not awfully destroyed, but the canvas, the glazing of it was peeling off. It was not nice. It was not a pretty sight. And for the amount, because I think at that point I had paid, don't quote me, but I think at that point it was like $1,900 that I paid. And now if you bought it even like on a luxury or like a fashion file or something like that, it would be, you would pay more than that. So I think for $350, this is a great price. So yeah guys, that's about it. I just wanted to share this handbag with you. I wanted to unbox it with you. I wanted to show you the stunning color. So always remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to others, love yourself and love others as well. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you have any questions at all, any comments, any bag suggestions, anything that you want to have a discussion about, just let me know in the comment section down below. See you in the next video.